Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Microsoft Teams and picking the team that contains the hidden channel. Once done, make sure you're signed in with an account that has at least member permissions because guests may lack channel visibility. You don't need to change settings yet. Just locate the team in the left rail and keep the team selected. This step ensures you're working in the right context and prevents accidental changes to other teams or channels. Next, expand the team channels list and look for the hidden channels entry. In some interfaces, you'll click the team's three-dot menu or the down arrow to reveal additional options. Then open Hidden Channels or Manage Channels. The exact label varies by client, and locate the channel name you want to unhide. You should see a Show option or a visibility toggle. Click it to restore the channel to the regular list. Doing this updates the channel view for you and other members if you are an owner. Finally, confirm the channel appears in the main channels list and open it to verify messages and tabs load correctly. If the channel remains hidden, that means your account lacks the necessary permissions. Ask a team owner to unhide it or adjust your role. If an owner already unhid it but you still don't see it, restart the team's app or clear the client cache so the change refreshes. That usually resolves lingering visibility problems and completes the unhide process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.